Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to keep my promise of sharing my personal development plan with you, so do well to watch to the end. First of all, here is my journal. So I've written my own plan here and I will show you right away. If you remember, in the last video, the first question we're supposed to answer is who do we want to be? And in answering that question, we're supposed to look at different aspects of our life. For me, this is where I've answered that question. I have spiritual, career, finance, physique, lifestyle, skills, and relationships. So I stated different things that I want to be in those areas. Just like I mentioned in the previous video, writing about the different aspects and trying to work on all of them at the same time could be overwhelming. So I have narrowed mine to 2 because when I look at my goals again, in some aspects of my life, I'm already where I want to be. So I have to pick 2 areas that I want to really improve on, which is lifestyle and my skills. Okay. And we also talked about narrowing it down so that it can be easier for you. So I'm looking at between October and December. So perhaps you may be seeing this video later in October or maybe in November, depending on when it's ready to be published. Just know that this was actually a 3-month plan between October and December 2023. The second question I was supposed to answer in our personal development plan is what is the difference between where you are now and where you want to be. I have who I want to be, but then who am I now? Okay, so when it comes to my lifestyle and my skills, first of all, let's see what I want to be. Under lifestyle, I want to read more self-help books and meditate more often. So I realized that I'm actually lacking in that area. And then under skills, I want to write long and engaging articles. So I do more of short articles, but I've seen from the blogs that I read, those kind of articles are actually long form and they're also very engaging. They're very long, but they're engaging. That is what I want to achieve. So the difference between that and where I am now is that I'm too lazy to do a thorough research. Don't be disappointed at me, okay? Because I do more of short form, so I just maybe read 2 or 3 articles or watch 2 or 3 videos to get the whole idea, find what is missing, put 1 or 2 together, and the article is ready. Good articles, quality articles, but for where I am headed, for what I'm looking at, I need to do more than that. So that's the difference. Then when it comes to lifestyle, what is actually stopping me from reading the self-help books and meditating more often? I spend a lot of time gisting, like talking with my friends. That is also good, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if I can cut some of those time and spend it on meditating, I will actually be more satisfied. It doesn't mean I'll stop talking with my friends or just with my friends, but I can actually cut some of those time and meditate more. Then the time I spend watching movies, I watch up to 3 to 4 movies in a week. And for the lifestyle I want to build, I feel like it's too much. Okay, so movies are just movies. They are not really adding anything to my personal growth. So that's the difference in my time to watch movies when I could actually use it in reading those self-help books that I keep reading for 3 months. Let me pause here and let you type in the comment section. What is that area of your life that you are not where you are yet? And you know that this is spoiling things for you and you need to fix it. So just type it in the comment section right now and I'll respond to you later. Okay, so the next thing on our list of personal development plan is to set milestones. For the self-help book, to be able to do that, so I'm choosing Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay, so I would read from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I pick 9 to 10 p.m. because that's usually the hour when I'm free. That's usually the hour when I watch movies and all that. So I can use that to read the book. So to help me, I've also picked the book Raising the Standard by Pastor Jackson at DBC. So I'll read that. And then for Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'll use those days to meditate while listening to worship songs. The same hour, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. These I've categorized it for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so to help me, I've given myself a reward. So you can actually try that. So if I'm able to do this in a whole week, then on Saturday evening I'm prepared to watch 1 movie.
Oh yeah.
What's the penalty? If I fail a day, 2 days, if I don't meet up, I will have to use that Saturday that I would have used to watch movie to make up for any day that I miss. This is me taking a break from this video to tell you about Teen Stable, a book I've written for teenagers, and I'm giving it to you for free. In this book, I shared nuggets that will help you improve in the different aspects of your life, and I would like you to get it. If you're not a teenager watching me, you can get it for teenagers around you. If you need a copy, please drop in the comment section, I want Teen Stable. And I'll respond to you and we'll find a way to get it across to you. Just know that if you're not in Port Harcourt, you may have to pay for delivery, but the book itself is free of charge. So let's get back to the video. When it comes to improving my article writing, being able to write long form and engaging articles, I will be reading one article from a wannabe blog. A blog that I love how engaging their long form articles are and how articles are able to meet the targets, like land more clients, generate more revenue for the blog or for the business owner. I'll get to those blogs and read one article from them every day by 10 a.m. Okay, Mondays to Fridays. And the next thing that we talked about in that video is measure how far you're going, to make sure that we're really doing this. So for me, I've chosen Sundays, okay, by 9 p.m. on Sundays. Every Sunday I'll come back and check, and I have a different book for that one. This is my journal. I don't want to get all rough, so I have a different book for that one. So here I'll be doing my measuring. Okay, so you can see I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I have the different activities I want to be doing: the book, the course, the meditation, and the article reading. So I have it in 2 weeks, week 1, week 2, and that way it flows. So if I do it on Monday, I come, I check it, Tuesday, like that. So on Sunday, I will come back and see how many checks do I have? Are there any lapses? And because I'm working with 3 months for now, I also wrote it under my measure. By December 20th, I'll come back and check, did this work? Did I meet my goals? If I did, then it means I'm going to carry it on into next year. Practice makes permanent. Please note that this is my personal development plan. Yours can be different. It's for you to identify the key areas you need to work on. Don't make it cumbersome, because if it's too much, then you won't be able to do it. So take it one step at a time. That said, I hope this video has helped you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be doing this with me? Are you willing to come back here in December to see how far we've achieved? Let's share our success stories together. I would really love that. So please tell me in the comments section. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and also recommend this channel to your friends. Please subscribe if you're yet to join the family. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when I make new uploads. And as a teenager, check out this playlist to watch other interesting videos that will help you improve your life. Remember, think stable, place your order and get yours. Stay connected on this channel, and I wish you the very best in all your endeavors. Take care.